back to the broader market. NASDAQ and S&P 500 down just shy of 1%. We gave up a big earlier rally. Joining us now is Katie Stockton from Fairlead Strategies. Katie, S&P 500. How does it look like we're going to go retest those lows, about 5% or so from here?
Yeah, I mean, listen, it's very fickle price action, and that's completely normal in a consolidation phase, which essentially reflects a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. I know on Friday, at least, it seems like investors were very, very bullish after just one big up day. And, we saw some names clear their 50-day moving averages. There was some incremental improvement, but really nothing meaningful in terms of intermediate term momentum. Our weekly gauges are still very much pointing lower, and that's the case for the S&P 500 as well. So we're not a believer of these bounces in general. They've lasted maybe 3-4 days on average, and this one has been so far no different. In terms of Apple's reaction to its news, it is negative because it creates an outside down day on the chart. That's just something that shows a loss of an intraday momentum, and it does tend to give way to a consolidation phase or some kind of pullback. And this was a natural place for that to happen to Apple, which had some resistance essentially in line with this morning's price action. And a lot of these mega caps have resistance essentially in line.
Wanted to quickly hit Tesla with you as well. Do you see it as a key to this market in any way? And what are the technicals showing on that stock?
I do. I mean, it's really interesting. As we come into Tesla's earnings report, the stock is very coiled up. At least that's what we call it. It means it's effectively like a triangle formation on the chart. And the triangles, they don't really have a directional bias. They're neutral by their nature, but you usually see a really big move coming out of it. And that big move often occurs in the direction of the prevailing trend, which for Tesla, you just have to look at its 200-day or 50-day moving average, and you'll see that the prevailing trend is lower. So the way the chart sets up is for a breakdown around earnings for Tesla from that triangle formation. And naturally, just given market sentiment and how sensitive it is, you even saw that today with Apple, I think that could be a market negative.
Well, so you're a seller of all these rallies. You're not a believer. Is there any part of the market in 20 seconds here, Katie, that looks strong to you?
Well, for me, it's like I'm happy to look at other alternative asset classes. So gold prices look more interesting coming off of an oversold low. We're interested in having counter trend exposure right now to treasuries. And in terms of sector exposure, we really are very limited in what we can do right now. But utilities and energy, those are the last sectors standing in terms of having both good relative strength, but also long-term uptrends still intact.
Energy's having a good day today, up 2%, though it has been weaker on this decline in crude oil lately. Katie Stockton, Katie, thank you.